It is not secret that this organization has institutions or their presence in Pakistan and in many other countries. And in my opening statement, I express my satisfaction and appreciation that we have full cooperation with Pakistan in that regard. And I'm sure the necessary measures will be taken. And we have to be very careful with such organizations and that posing risk or threat for the security and stability of every country that they have presence.
We are going to protect the schools and students as far as those are concerned, and under some alternative arrangement. So once the arrangements are there, you will all be informed about it, because some of the schools, if they are professionally managed and they are providing good education, we will try to find alternative arrangement for the schools to continue, whereas their other activities has to be managed or curbed in whatever way our Turkish brother would like us to do.
If both Pakistan and Turkey would have not been sensitive about the students, I don't know the exact figure, but you gave it, and the families of the students that much, those schools have been closed after 2013, December 2013 attempts of the same group. So we should find solutions that the students and their families or parents shouldn't be affected badly. That is what we are seeking.